One of the biggest complaints owners have with their dogs is the way they handle doorbells, knocks on the door, or anything like that. One of the first things I want to do is teach dogs that doorbells mean good things that you don't need to carry on. So as I ring the doorbell, Splash gets a positive association with it. From here, I will start teaching a dog that the sound of the doorbell means come to me. So Sarah is going to distract Splash quickly by tossing a treat away. Then I'll ring the doorbell and Splash will be called to her.
Splash, come! Girl.
All right, now I'll have Sarah repeat that.
Splash, come!
The only reason we're throwing the treat away at this time is to illustrate using the doorbell as a cue to come when called. From here, I progress to teaching a dog when they hear the doorbell to come to me and then escort me to the door. And it would look something like this.
Let's get the door.
And at the door, we sit.
Sit.
Or stand, or whatever the dog is most comfortable with. Okay, bring her back. Let's do that again.
Let's get the door.
Okay. From here, we teach dogs eventually to hold a wait at the door while the door gets opened.